Right, the nib is back into the pen. I'll now re-ink the pen and then we'll start getting rid of the scratchiness. Right, I've re-inked the pen. And I'll tell you why. There's two ways that we can do the next step of removing the scratching. Put the cap on that for a moment. This is a micro mesh pad we're going to use. 12,000 mesh. Micro mesh is best used wet. You can use it dry, but it works more efficiently if it's wet. So there's two ways to do this. You can either leave the pen empty and then wet, put some water on the micro mesh, and using a figure 8 pattern, run round it very lightly. And then the problem with that method is once you've done that, you then have to fill the pen with ink and test it and see how it works, see how it feels, and then empty the pen again, back into the water, ink again and try it again, and so on. However, if you use ink in the pen, then you can go straight from the 12,000 micro mesh onto the paper. So I'll do another couple of figure 8s and see if it feels any better already after what we've done. Got a better ink flow, that's for sure. Still scratchy. Right, we won't use any water on this because the ink will lubricate the micro mesh. So I'll get a start. Medium pressure, we don't want it hard. We'll do a dozen figure 8s for a start. And then test the nib again. Still a little bit scratchy. Do another go. It's feeling better. Let's try that. Twsbi Diamond 580. That's larger writing so that you can see it. I normally write far smaller than that, but you probably won't be able to see it. Twsbi Diamond 580 with Pilot, ama-iro, Sky, Blue, Ink, Iroshizuku. That writes way better than it did before. The scratchiness has gone out of the upstroke. Writes a little bit wetter too now that I've put a shim up the centre of the nib. Yes, much better. All right, that's how easy it is to take the scratchiness out of a pen nib. Very easy.